Welcome to the comprehensive guide on installing Go, designed for all platforms. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step, whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux. We'll cover everything from downloading the correct binaries to setting up your environment, ensuring you're ready to start coding in Go. Let's dive in and get Go up and running on your system. Let's begin with installing Go on Windows. First, download the Go installer. Visit the official Go downloads page at go.dev/dl/. Locate the Windows section and download the MSI installer that matches your system's architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Once the download is complete, run the MSI installer. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Setup wizard. By default, Go will be installed to C:/program files/Go. It is generally recommended to keep the default installation path. Next, we will install Go on macOS. Go to go.dev/dl/ and download the .pkg installer for macOS. Make sure to select the correct installer for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. After downloading, open the .pkg file and follow the installation prompts. By default, Go will be installed to /usr/local/go. Now let's install Go on Linux. Open your terminal and use the wget command to download the Go binaries. For example, to download Go version 1.21.4, use the command wget https://go dev/dl/go1 linux-amd64 tar.gz. Once the download is complete, extract the downloaded archive to the /usr/local directory using the following command: sudo tar --c /usr/local -xcf go 1.21.4 linux-amd64 tar.gz. Next, add Go to your path by adding the following line to your .profile file: echo !export path equals $path:/usr/local/go/bin !profile. Finally, apply the changes by running source /profile. To verify that Go is installed correctly, open a new terminal window and run the command Go version. This should display the version of Go that you have installed. Next, check the Go environment configuration by running go env-gopath and go env-goroot. These commands will show you the GOPATH and GOROOT environment variables respectively. Now let's set up your Go workspace. First, create a new directory for your project. For example, to create a directory named my-go-project, run the command make directory my-go-project. Then, navigate into the new directory by running change directory my-go-project. To initialize a new Go module in your project, use the command gomod init-example.com/my-project. This command creates a go.mod file in your project directory, which will manage your project's dependencies. To add a new dependency to your Go project, use the go-get command followed by the package's import path. For example, to add the Gorilla MUX package, run the command go-get github.com/gorilla/mux. To list all dependencies, run the command go list-mall. This will display all modules required in the current module. To clean up any unused dependencies, run the command gomod tidy. This command removes any unused modules from your go.mod file. Now let's write your first Go program. Create a new file named main.go in your project directory. Open main.go in a text editor and add the following code: package main, import fmt, function main, fmt.println, open parenthesis, double quote, hello, comma, space, world, exclamation mark, double quote, close parenthesis. This simple program will print the message hello world to the console. To run your Go program, open a terminal in your project directory and use the command go run main.go. This will compile and run your program directly, printing the output to the console. Alternatively, you can build an executable file using the command go build main.go. This will create an executable file named main in your project directory. You can then run the executable by typing /main in your terminal. To enhance your Go development experience, consider using a dedicated integrated development environment, or IDE. Visual Studio Code with the Go extension installed offers syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and debugging support. GoLand, a JetBrains IDE, provides built-in Go support with advanced debugging tools. Choose the editor that best fits your needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.